Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is OMAS-FX. Okay, um, I'll be doing a quick top-down analysis using USDCHF. Okay, as my pair of analysis. Okay, so um, I'm on a weekly time frame because we are entering into a new week from tomorrow. Okay, so that's why I'm using the weekly time frame as my um, higher time frame. Okay, because I normally use the daily time frame. So what are we seeing on the weekly time frame? Remember, every single candle on the weekly time frame um, is a week worth of price action. Okay, meaning every single candle on this weekly time frame has 5 daily candles inside of them. Okay, so the purpose of the higher time frame, okay, is to give us or show us the direction, okay, where price is expected to push to or move to. Okay, so that being said, what am I seeing on the weekly time frame? Remember, according to ICT, price does two things. Price tends to rebalance imbalance in the market, okay, or take out liquidity from old highs and old lows from majorly the higher time frame. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, I'm having a very interesting structure right here on the weekly time frame. So what I'm saying is this: the last weekly candle that closed, which is this bullish candle, um took out liquidity below its previous weekly candle. Okay, and what I mean by that is price took out liquidity and closed above. Okay, you can see the weak rejection, the weak, okay, that took out the liquidity from this previous weekly candle. Okay, instead of price to push down with a full body candle, it pushed down initially but later closed inside, okay, giving us this bullish candle. Okay, so not only that, price did that by also trading into a key level on the weekly time frame, into a weekly discount order block right there, as we can see. So that zone is a very important zone, okay, and it was strong enough to push price inside. So that being said, so what do we see next? On the weekly time frame, we have an internal range liquidity, which is this weekly fair value gap, as you can see right here. So what I'm saying is that price is expected to push into that fair value gap. Okay, so with that being said, when price tapped into that fair value gap on the weekly time frame, so we should be expecting a reversal or a push to the downside. But presently, my bias is to the bullish side. Okay, so with that being said, I'll go to the daily time frame to see what price has next. So with the daily time frame, this is what I'm seeing right here. Okay, as you can see, by my time, this is 12:22 a.m. Okay, um before the midnight for Monday. Okay, so that's when I'm doing this analysis. So as you can see, this is the fair value gap, the weekly fair value gap. Okay, coming to the daily time frame, we see we have a very nice daily order block inside that weekly fair value gap. So this is a very key area or a key point of interest for price, okay, which is in the sense that when price trade into this key level, it's expected to push price to the downside. Okay, so with that being said, this is our price action. So this, remember, this is the daily time frame. We need to frame our direction as day traders. So I normally use the daily candle range. Okay, what I mean by that is this was the last daily candle that was printed, okay, which this was on Friday's candle that printed, as you can see. So my bullish my bias for tomorrow, Monday, is for price to trade to the upside. So how does price do that, or how will price do that? This is my daily range, as you can see, donated by these two horizontal lines. So within this daily candle, there are PD arrays, or there are points of interest, which price is expected to tap. From there, it will give us that um, change in state of delivery, or a market structure shift to the upside, that will later take the price to this fair value gap right here. Okay, that we see on the daily time frame. So going to the lower time frame for my structure. Okay, so what I'm looking for right now on this, within this daily range, which I've denoted, is any zone, like any other block, a fair value gap, a mitigation block, breaker block, okay, that price can tap into to give us this change in state of delivery, then we before we enter the bullish push. That is what we are looking for. Okay, so going to the coming to the 4 hour time frame, I can't really see anything very clearly here. So I'll go down to the 1 hour time frame. What do I see on the 1 hour time frame, or what um am I expected to be looking out for? One, I'm expected to be looking out for liquidity zones that price we want to take before tapping into our point of interest to give us the buy. Okay, so I'm having these lows right here. Okay, these are liquidity zones. They are sell side liquidities that price will definitely take before giving us the bullish movement to the upside. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is going down to the 30 minutes time frame. Where are the PDR raised, which price needs to tap? So I'm seeing some few zones right here. Okay, so this is a zone and other block that price can tap. Okay, and as you can see, the zone is below these liquidity zones right here. So this is a very nice magnetic point for price to tap after taking out liquidity, tapping into the other block, giving us a market structure shift, then a push to the upside. Okay, because when price tap into this zone, I'll go to my 5 minutes time frame and wait for a bullish change of character. Okay, that's the first zone that I think price um, might tap to give us a bullish movement. Okay, so my next zone is this fair value gap right here. Okay, remember price likes to rebalance fair value gaps. Okay, price like to seek fair value gap, rebalance them before pushing to that direction. So looking at this price action from this previous day candles range, which is donated by these two horizontal lines, are the two only zones I'm having. I'm saying that okay, price is going to tap. Okay, now what I will just do is just to wait, and remember, every single candle has what we call the power of three. Okay, power of three concept. Okay, price will give a manipulation, accumulation, okay, which will be done during the Asian session. Okay, for a bullish movement, price might give us an accumulation from this new candle right here, some level of accumulation, then a manipulation, okay, taking out that Asian low, tap into these any of these points of interest. Then from there, price will give us a displacement to the upside. Okay, so that's the behavior of price action. Okay, price always give the power of three. So with this knowledge, once it is morning, I'll start to monitor the activities or the movement of price, how price will relate to this both of these my zones, this first zone and this second zone. Okay, Once I get those confirmation, what was the confirmation? The first confirmation is I want price to take out this sell side liquidities that are here. That's the first thing. The next thing is for price to give me the AMD formation, the accumulation. After the accumulation, also take out the sell side liquidity below the Asian range, okay, during the accumulation, then tap into my point of interest. After tapping, what's next? To give me a market structure shift on the 5 minutes time frame, or let's say the 15 minutes time frame. So after that execution, then I will take the trade. Okay, I will take the long, and my target will first be this high, then trade. I will allow price to trade into this weekly fair value gap. Okay, so this is what top down analysis looks like. Okay, so these are the concepts I use in taking um, most of my trades, okay, using top down analysis from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So I hope this video um, has really helped so many of you to understand how I do my top down analysis, how I go from the higher time frame to the lower time frame until I get my entry. Okay, so make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, okay, after watching or before watching any of the videos, okay, that is being posted on my YouTube channel. And also comment whatever you would like me to teach about, put it on the comment section, then I will respond to that. So see you in the next video. Bye.